You know what?
What?
I loved you, even though you treated me wrong.
Oh, come on.
And I know I'm supposed to be sad, but I got a new man now, and he treats me better than you. So you know what?
What?
I'm happy for you. Listen. Last night, I was thinking about back in the day when you and I were so happy together every way. But now, reminiscing, I can see the signs was right in front of my face. So I guess you was right, the fault's mine. Say you love me, say you